Are you frustrated with your Galaxy Watch step counting accuracy? In this video, we uncover the reasons why Galaxy Watch is not counting steps and provide practical solutions for this issue. From recalibration to optimizing settings, we will guide you through troubleshooting steps for accurate step tracking on your Galaxy Watch. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the video till the end. Before we move on to the solution, it is important to know the cause. Following can be some common reasons why your Samsung Galaxy Watch is not counting steps correctly on the floor, while you are on a treadmill, pushing a stroller, or climbing stairs. The positioning of your Galaxy Watch on your wrist plays a crucial role in step counting accuracy. If the watch is too loose or too tight, it may not accurately detect your movements, resulting in inaccurate step counts on the Samsung Watch. Like any other electronic device, the Galaxy Watch can experience software glitches or firmware bugs that may affect its step counting functionality. However, updating the firmware or performing a software reset could potentially resolve the inaccurate step counting on the Galaxy Watch. The motion detection sensors in the Galaxy Watch may have sensitivity settings that need adjustment. If the sensitivity is set too high or too low, it can impact step counting accuracy on your watch. Unusual environmental conditions such as extreme vibrations or excessive humidity can interfere with the motion sensors in your Galaxy Watch, leading to inaccurate step counting. Physical damage or wear and tear on the Galaxy Watch sensors or internal components can impact its ability to accurately count steps. Inspect the device for any visible damage that may be affecting its functionality. So these were the common causes that may affect the step counting accuracy of the Galaxy Watch. Following are some fixes you can try to resolve this issue. Sometimes a simple restart can solve minor software glitches. On your Galaxy Watch, press both buttons together for a few seconds and the watch will automatically reboot. Allow the watch to restart completely and check if the step counter starts working accurately. Ensure that you are wearing your Galaxy Watch correctly on your wrist. It should be snug but not too tight. Adjust the strap to ensure a comfortable fit that allows the watch to move freely with your arm's natural motion. Check if there are any available firmware updates for your Galaxy Watch. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected smartphone. Navigate to Watch Software Update and install any pending updates. These updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can help resolve step counting issues. To ensure accurate step tracking on your Galaxy Watch 3, 4, 5, 5 Pro or Active 2, it's crucial to grant the Samsung Health app permission to access the watch sensors. Without this permission, the step counting feature may not function properly. To enable this permission, follow these steps. Open the Samsung Health app on your Galaxy Watch. Access the settings menu. Scroll through the options and locate Share data with devices in service. Tap on Health platform. Choose Allow All to grant access to all the sensors or select specific sensors for step counting purposes. Once you have made your selection, tap on Done to save the changes. By allowing the Samsung Health app to access the necessary sensors, you will ensure that your Galaxy Watch accurately tracks, counts, and logs your steps. Clearing the cache of your Samsung Health app can resolve issues related to accurate step tracking. Follow these steps to clear the cache. On your paired phone, navigate to Settings. Tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device. Find and select Samsung Health from the list of installed apps. Go to Storage. Choose Clear Cache to clear the app's cache specifically for Samsung Health. Additionally, repeat the same process for the Galaxy Wearable app to clear its cache as well. Once the cache is cleared, put on your Galaxy Watch and take a short walk, ensuring your arms swing freely, as some watches only count steps when there is hand movement. Monitor your step count on the watch face or within the Samsung Health app or any other preferred app to see if it accurately updates your steps. If your watch face has a step counter on it, then you may face the issue of your Samsung watch not counting steps properly. To solve this issue, you can find a simple plain watch face without a step counter or heart rate display. Use this plain watch face instead of the ones with step counters. When you wear the watch with a plain watch face, the step count should update accurately. So that ends our video. Thank you for joining us on this journey to resolve the step counting issue on your Galaxy Watch. We hope the insights and troubleshooting tips shared in this video have empowered you to overcome this challenge. Stay active, stay motivated, and keep stepping forward with confidence. Also, we will appreciate if you like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.